everyone, Cyndi here with Gromes Sewing Machine Company in San Antonio, Texas, and now Universal City, Texas. So today is our Foot Friday Frenzy. We know what that means. There's a new foot that we're going to show you today. What is that foot? Well, how many of you struggle with doing little ruffles, little gathers? So today I decided I would show you this cute little foot here. This is called a gathering foot, and it is different from your ruffler foot. So follow me over to the sewing machine and let me show you how easy this is to do. Okay, so here we are at the sewing machine, and I've attached the little shearing foot. But the first thing you want to do before you start to sew is you want to go to your stitch length and make that as long as it will go. Then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your tension. And I know we hate messing with tension, so jot down, if you don't have an electronic machine, jot down your normal tension setting. And once you've done that, then go to your tension on your machine and take it to the longest or tightest tension, I should say. Once you've done that, then all you have to do is just start stitching and watch the magic appear before your eyes. See how beautiful that is? Now, you may not want this tight of a little gather, so all you have to do is go back to your tension and decrease your tension a little bit. So here I took mine down to about 8, and now it's not as tight, right? So just play with your tension until you figure out how much of a gather that you want on the fabric that you're working with. Look how beautiful that is. Isn't that a wonderful foot? So you don't have to sit there and pull threads anymore. Now, I will tell you that the shearing foot does only work on sheer fabric and lightweight cottons. If you're wanting true and tight gathers, the best thing is your ruffler, and we will talk about that foot in a different segment. All right, everybody. Well, I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and now you know how to use that cute little shearing foot. Now, make sure that you are following us on Facebook, and also make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and click that little notification button down at the bottom, so that way when our next Foot Friday video comes out, you will be the first one to know. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.